Hi guys, and welcome to Pan's Kitchen. Today we're with Marley and it's very hot outside. So in order to go outside, enjoy some fun, play in the pool, kiddie pool, or just play in some water, we're gonna make some kid-friendly and adult-friendly watermelon drinks. So here we have 4 things. We have mint, Okay, for the second cocktail, we're using mint, watermelon, cranberry juice. I'm just making a small batch because Marley doesn't want a lot of it and I just want a little bit. And then we're gonna put the mint, not too much. I don't want it too minty. And then we're gonna put the cap on. And, right Marley? You wanna blend this one? All right, let's give it a try. Ooh, that looks delicious. Should we give it a try? All right. Oh, that's delicious. There we go. Taste it. Let me know how you like it. Okay, may I try it? Ooh, that delicious? Is it delicioso? Really? Job. So this time we're basically making the same thing, except this time we're adding some spice to it. So, all right, Marley, that's enough. So we're just gonna that is ginger beer.
I wanna know, shake it up.
What happens if we shake it up? Ooh. All right, ready? All right, so here we go. Let's see how good it is. Just splash a little bit in it. Woo! That is going to be very delicious. Ooh, cheers, Marley. Where's yours? You garnish it with a little mint, right? And so again, guys, today we made 3 cocktails from watermelon. We made watermelon juice, then we made watermelon mint, then we made watermelon mint ginger. Oh my God, so delicious. So give it a try, and don't forget to subscribe to Pan's Kitchen because it's cultural diversity through food. Till next time, bye. Speaking of what?
A ketchup sandwich.
A ketchup sandwich? What's that?
That's one.
What is a ketchup sandwich?
I don't know where the ketchup is.
The ketchup's in the fridge.